How do states achieve their desired outcomes in global politics? First, they can do it by coercion, or forcing other states to do something against their will. This is what we call hard power. Threatening another state with military action, or actually using your military against another state to force them to do something, that's hard power. Economics can be used as hard power too. A classic example is sanctions, when either a single state or the international community imposes sanctions. They agree to block off trade with another country to try and force it to change their behavior. On the other hand, soft power is using your power to actually try and persuade other states that what you want is something they want too. For example, a powerful state like the United States has considerable soft power through its economy. Everybody wants a piece of that pie. Meanwhile, China, through its Belt and Road Initiative, is investing in the development of countries throughout Africa and Asia. At the same time, while they're building that infrastructure, they're also building those persuasive diplomatic connections. We see both hard power and soft power in global politics all the time. At the end of the day, most states will try to use both depending on the situation and the kinds of outcomes they want to see. What do you think is the most effective form of power, hard or soft? Let us know in the comments below. If you like my shirt, you can get your own in the link to my merch store down below. And as always, if you learned something today, give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you again next time.